The idea of naming the anxiety, depression, negative thinking, whatever. Sometimes I think it gets a little tangled up that kids feel like they're doing something wrong, that there's something wrong with them or they're misbehaving or people are just mad at them. They're choosing to be this way. And so then they kind of dig in sometimes a little bit because they're upset that this is not how they want to be feeling. And no one's kind of understanding that. So being able to name what's going on, just a really basic way of thinking about this is parents will say, I'm not sure what to do when my child says, I'm so scared. Or a parent will say, like, well, why are you scared? And I'll say, can we make some separation there and say, you're feeling scared. What is worry telling you? Or what are the thoughts or pictures in your mind? And then suddenly it's like you're sitting next to your child looking at what they're looking at. They feel safe because you're not questioning why. You really are being curious about what they're seeing, what they're thinking. And then you can model with them the process that they will eventually internalize that we all have to do for ourselves. Like, what's making me think that way? Or like, what do I think of that thought? Or is that helpful? Or is that just kind of chatter? You're going to do that with your child to say, okay, so worry's saying a lot. Worry's racing ahead and saying, gosh, is there anything good that worry's saying? Not really. So you're not saying your child is being negative or something like that. You're really putting it where it belongs, which is this is what the thoughts are doing. And then asking, what do you think about that?